In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paperform to Zapier. By the end, you'll know exactly how to link your form to your favorite apps, so every new submission can trigger useful actions automatically. Start by opening your browser and searching for Paperform. When the results load, click the official Paperform website. If you're ever unsure, look for the correct domain and branding so you know you're in the right place. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your usual method. After you're in, open the form you want to connect. If you don't have one ready, you can create a new form first and then come back to this setup. With your form open in the editor, look for the settings related to what happens when someone submits. Choose After Submission, then select Integrations and Webhooks. This is where you connect external tools to your form's submission events. Scroll down to the bottom of the integrations list and find the Zapier section. Click it to expand the options. Here, you'll see an option to connect. Click Connect to Zapier. If you're already logged into Zapier in your browser, you might be prompted to authorize the connection. Go ahead and approve that so Paperform and Zapier can communicate securely. Next, you'll be offered two paths. You can pick a ready-made Zap template for common connections like sending new submissions to a Google Sheet or posting to Slack, or you can search for a specific app to build a custom setup. Templates are great when you want something simple and proven, while the search option gives you full control over the trigger and action details. When you make your choice, a pop-up will appear right inside Paperform. This lets you configure everything without opening a new tab. You'll be asked to select or connect the accounts needed for the apps you chose. Then you'll define the actions to take when a submission comes in, such as which spreadsheet and worksheet to use, or which workspace and channel to post to. You can map fields from your form, like name, email, and any custom questions, to the matching fields in the destination app. Take a moment to double-check the field mapping so your data lands exactly where you expect. Once that's set, save your configuration in the pop-up. Your form is now connected through Zapier, and future submissions will trigger your chosen actions. That's it, your workflow is automated, and you're ready to go.